Oh my god.
Hello. Oh my god.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh.
We created Lil Nas X's Versace look from the 2020 Grammy Awards.
Oh my god, guys, you look so good!
Hodo is Lil Nas X's stylist, and we started this whole journey back 4 weeks ago with Hodo showing us the original outfit.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Oh my god, you have the whole outfit.
Yeah, I'm like shocked right
Yes.
now.
So I was like, Nas, give it to me. He was like, okay. He wants it back though.
Was this your first Grammys?
Yes. Oh my god. Yeah. I was so nervous. Yes. It's been also a lot of first times with Lil Nas for me because I got my visa this year and then I got this artist. So thinking about it now, it's like, oh my god, we did so much and crazy, right? When I asked him in the beginning, who are your favorites? He was like, Versace. And I was like, okay, so we will do Versace for the Grammys. And Versace, it's very maximal, a lot of colors. Gianni Versace was very like flamboyant and fun. So, and Versace in the 90s, they brought out Tupac, they brought out Snoop Dogg. So they were like very involved with hip hop too. So it makes sense to reach out to them. They work really fast. They do everything by hand. I believe it was like 4 people working on it. It took 700 hours. Is the jacket?
I'm going to scream.
So it's supply leather, so it's very thin leather.
Oh my god, the detail work on the inside, you don't see that on the red carpet, but that is amazing.
Yeah.
We have the mesh here, the mesh top. So it's a long sleeve normal top, The thing that I think will be maybe the most hardest is the harness. Instead of sewing it, just use glue. And it's also easier if you have a mannequin or a person that you can just try it on, because then you can just design it at once. The most important is the color, and this color is a little bit hard to get, right? So my advice would be either you can dye it yourself, if you already can get like made stuff. So if you go and thrift shopping and do it like that instead, just make sure you have the studs. If you can't do the Medusa, it's just most important that we have studs, okay? This is an 80s style, so you need to have the cut hair, the crop, and the pads, the shoulder pads. But as long as you can get this shoulder pads, the 80s style, that's a win. Color, gold, that's a win. Matching hat and shoes. I believe in you guys. You will do so great.
Thank you so much. I really have no method of doing this. I guess I'm just going to cut it in little pieces and then sew it together. This is a little thicker than what he had, so maybe I'll just do one, like a little choker. I don't want my big head to rip this harness. Anyway, so I bought these little buckles that I don't even have to make a belt. I can just put these in here.
Right here is good. Okay, not bad. It's a little stiff. Oh, no. No. Do I look like Lil Nas yet?
So I have a bunch of clothes that I am trying to sell or that I'm gonna donate that I haven't gotten to yet. The first is this jacket, which is literally the exact color that I'm looking for. So we're using this jacket.
And I also have these pants I was gonna donate, but I think I can dye them fuchsia.
I have a feeling that this is not the right material. Excuse the cars. It's been 30 minutes and it's kind of the same. Nothing's really changed.
All right, so I went out and got some white jeans with more cotton and less polyester, so let's do this again.
These are some old jeans that I had. Hopefully I can bleach these pants white and then dye them fuchsia pink so that, you know, I have some nice pink pants. Oh, this is so cool. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on, wait. You can see like the dye coming off, which is so cool. Oh my god. I'm pretty confident. Like I feel like this bleach is like doing the trick. And then the dye, a masterpiece. I just know it. Back to you, Caroline.
Got my pants that I colored and they look so good, and the jacket that we're gonna cut today. So I want to put the shoulder pad over the jacket and cover it with this material instead of under the jacket because the jacket will kind of weigh it down.
Now I'm using these stick-on gems I got from Michaels to cover the entire jacket and hat. I'm wondering if it's smarter to just not cut up the beads and just lay the beads down in the shape of the original design. That way I can save some time. Okay, so I went to put the pants on and it didn't work out. I messed up. I really shouldn't have used the fabric glue on my pants. I peeled the beads off and the glue stuck.
So now I'm gluing these gold embellishments that came in various sizes from Michaels all over the jacket with some fabric glue, and it's looking pretty good.
Oh my god!
Hello! Oh my god!
Wait, hold on.
Wait, I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, you look...
I'm screaming.
Wow, you look amazing. Okay, I need like all the details on this outfit. Let me get Hodo on the line.
Oh my god, guys, you look so good!
Yay!
I'm glad you like it. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Okay, you outdid yourselves. Okay, who wanna start?
Okay, I'll start. This is the outfit.
Wow. Wow.
Let me-
Caroline. Oh my god. Oh my god, girl.
I did what you told me to do. I bought white pants and I dyed it for the first time. I never dyed like pants before, but
It looks so good.
I had this jacket and I was going to like sell it or donate it because I haven't worn it in years. But I was like, let me just repurpose it. It's fine. So I cut the bottom of it and I took
love
the
it.
fabric for that and I put it on shoulder pads. And I was just like, I sewed the shoulder pads like on the jacket, which I know like usually shoulder pads go under. I wanted that more of the like effect, but it looks really bad from the back. Like it like sticks out in a very unnatural way. So
I love how you like hit it. Like it's seaming.
yeah,
It doesn't even show.
yeah, because the stitching was like really
The
standing
stitching, yeah.
out.
It doesn't show. Okay, Manny, show us what you got.
Okay.
Come on, girl.
Let me walk you through this
Yes.
look, okay? She was a journey. Of course. Here. Okay, don't worry. I'll guide you through it. Okay? So, let's start with the head, the cowboy hat, all right? I went to Party City. They had this like pink cowboy hat for like $5. I was like, perfect. That's exactly what I need. I got this like little dollar coin
I love it.
from Party City. So I was like, I don't have Versace, but like it's money, you know.
It's
so like
money. We love
yeah.
it. You're dripping.
yeah, exactly. And then the harness. Okay.
I
This
love
harness, she was hard to make. I'm not gonna lie. What I did was I bought like a bunch of leather belts, and then I kind of cut them up to size and glued everything together. And I didn't find like the perfect glue, but I found like just good enough glue to make it all stick. And then I just put like little jewels and bedazzlings on it to add like little detail.
I love it.
The mesh top I got at a thrift store. I was lucky to find it. It was in child section, but I'll take it.
You take it.
Yeah, and then
That's
this jacket I also got from a thrift store, and I just added like little jewels on there. So these are the pants. These were some old pants I got that were black, but I bleached them and then dyed them pink.
Look
And then I
at
put
you
these
guys.
jewels on them.
Professional.
Yeah. And then these are some old shoes that I had, and I painted them pink.
Donatella would be so proud right now.
Oh my
Oh my God.
I will faint.
Great.
Okay, so these I got from Amazon. They're like imitation Versace, so I cut them up and like made it to my size. And then I also bought some rings from a thrift store. Gotta get the
Okay,
details in.
Carolina, where were you with that jewelry?
I know.
That's a plus, money. That's a plus.
Moment of truth. Drum roll. Who do you pick to win this challenge?
Nanny, I think you did great with the hat, with the harness. It's like the perfect shape, the crop, the color, the details. You really did great. It looks beautiful. And Caroline, I loved your jacket. Like you did the shoulder. And it was a little bit minus with the hat. I'm sorry. But your color is popping more, and your harness, and yeah, and the pants, I love them. So can we say a tie? Is that okay? I can make up my mind. Both of you have the elements that both the other needs, you know?
Yeah.
But Manny, you did great. Maybe I give Manny a little bit plus. I'm so proud of both of you guys, seriously, because this was a hard outfit to make, and I was a little bit confused about how will they make this with this little budget and time. So, wow.
Trust me, we
Let
were
me know
confused
if you
too.
want to work as an assistant for me anytime. Move to LA. This is really showing how creative people can be, you know? We don't have to use a lot of things to make things.